I'm Benny, and this Halloween will be my first as something other than a funeral car. Coffin rides for the spooky season. Now that's an adventure I'm looking forward to. During the summer, Victoria and I have been making trips to the cemetery. These manicured Vegas graveyards aren't ancient. She always carries this vial of cemetery dirt. Salt Lake magic, she calls it. I've noticed orchids blooming everywhere around the cemetery. It's as if love itself is blossoming. As night falls, fireflies fill the air. Some even land on my hood, like tiny beacons in the darkness. I watch Victoria looking up at these lights and wonder if they mean something to her. I wonder about humans who've lost someone still alive, but are afraid to reach out. Victoria walks back to me, ready to return to the museum. Orchids in full bloom, fireflies lighting up the graves around us. As we head back, I'm thinking about vampire season ahead. I hope coffins, vampires, and cemeteries can heal hearts and make love blossom again.